The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. God as the shepherd, trust in divine guidance. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Imagine yourself lost in a dense forest, scared and unsure where to go. Suddenly, a shepherd appears, guiding you to safety. This verse reminds us that God is that shepherd, guiding our lives with care. When we trust him, we find provision and purpose, even in uncertain times. Depend on God's guidance rather than your own understanding, and he will lead you to safety and abundance. Peace amidst chaos. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. Life is noisy, chaotic, and overwhelming, like a roaring sea. But God offers still waters, moments of peace where our souls can rest. Think of a busy day when just 5 minutes of quiet can reset your heart. God provides this rest when we seek him. Take time to rest in God's presence and let him renew your strength. Restoration of the soul. He restoreth my soul. Like a phone battery running low, our souls can feel drained, worn out by stress, sin, or despair. But God recharges us with his love, forgiveness, and grace. No matter how broken you feel, God can restore your spirit and give you new strength to face the day. Courage in difficult times. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. This verse speaks of courage in the darkest moments. Imagine walking through a dark alley at night, but holding a bright flashlight. God is that light, making even the scariest paths bearable. Trust God in your darkest moments, for his presence will dispel fear and give you courage, divine protection and comfort. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. A shepherd's rod protects sheep from predators, while the staff guides them gently. Similarly, God disciplines and guides us to keep us safe. God's correction may feel uncomfortable, but it's always for our protection and ultimate good. Blessings even in adversity. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. This paints a vivid picture. Even when people oppose you, God blesses and uplifts you openly. He turns situations of shame into ones of honor. Trust that God's blessings will shine through even when others try to bring you down. Overflowing abundance, my cup runneth over. When God blesses you, it's not just enough, it's more than enough. He fills your life with joy, peace, and love that overflow to others. Gratitude is key. Recognize and share the abundant blessings God pours into your life. Eternal hope. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. This is a promise. God's kindness and mercy are always with you, like a loyal friend who never leaves your side. No matter what happens, remember that God's love and goodness are constant and everlasting. Imagine someone struggling to find hope. Psalm 23 reminds them that they are not alone, not forgotten, and not unloved. The same God who leads sheep to green pastures can lead us to peace, provision, and purpose. All he asks is that we trust him and follow. When life feels overwhelming, hear the voice of the shepherd calling, "Come to me. I will guide you, protect you, and restore your soul." Let Psalm 23 be the light that transforms your heart and strengthens your faith.